It's never too late to do what you wanted to do. You never know what you can accomplish until you try. Every person becomes anxious, everyone comes under pressure, everyone doubts their potential, everybody gets confused, and in the end, most of us give up on our dreams. The reason for this might be anything, and the reasons which stop you from doing it weighs more than the reasons that let you keep doing it. And then we start to survive instead of living. The best time to start is now, and the best place is wherever you are. It's never too late. Your age and your past doesn't matter to do what you always wanted. There will be times when you fail, not just once but many times. And there will be times when you fall. In those times, remember that only you can lift yourself up. You will have to face the failures, the hardships, and the challenges no matter what, but face them with courage. When it's in your strength to do it, then do not think twice. Follow your heart and bring your mind along. Do it now so that you won't have regrets later. All you need to remember is that you need to be in a better place, in a better position, and with a better mind 1 year ahead this day. Let your ambitions be high. Let your dreams be high. You have the strength to achieve them. It's never too late to start. The path you take is your choice, but choose it wisely. Do not let your past, your regrets, or anything else hold you back from going after what you truly want. If you let them, then you will have an unfulfilled life filled with anxiety and despair. You can overcome anything, and remember that the only time when it's too late for anything is when you're dead. Till you're alive, it's never too late to follow your dreams and to change your life. If the desire to bring about a particular change is strong enough, there is always an action that you can take. It may take time, there may be many ups and downs in the journey, but it will be worth it in the end, and there is always something that you can do. When you get along with the lies that are holding you back, then you will be fooling yourself and you will be stopping yourself. Don't make that mistake. No matter how far you have gone on the wrong road, you can still turn around. You are in full control of your life. Make sure that you don't look back with regret. It's never too late to be what you might have been. It's never too late to make things right. It's never too late to learn. It's never too late to start making better choices. The past is unchangeable, but the future is the only thing that we can change. It's never too late to see a better tomorrow.